Ano naman nakakatakot nun? Panoorin mo si Tita Manji.
Okay, Super Serena number 3. Carla Gallarita, ang lobby po ng Cagayan de Oro. Carla Gallarita! 24 years old. Mahilig mag-travel, and she likes listening to music and cooking. Gusto niya mag-travel around the world.
Daming fans ni Lovie Poe. What can you say, Lovie, that you're well applauded here sa studio ng Eat Bulaga?
Well, I am very much thankful and I would like to say, Dabber Gods, pasok kayo sa puso ko.
Oh, malaki-laki ang puso ni Lovie. Marami-rami sila eh. Ikaw rin eh. Laki ng puso. Okay, Lovie, here's your question. Kung mananalo ka ngayon sa loto, ano ang unang bagay na bibilihin mo para sa sarili mo? At bakit?
Thank you for that question. I prefer to answer it in English. Thank you so much. If I've given a chance to win on a lottery, what would be the first thing that I will buy with my cash prize? Ladies and gentlemen, I am not that rich, but in material things, I have all the gadgets that they have. I have some luxurious bags, if I don't mention. But if I will win a lottery, I think that will be the time that I will buy myself my own rosary and a Bible. Why? It is because 50% of that lottery prize, I will give it to the church. And of course, that will be the time that I will have to repent and move back to God. Thank you.
Kahit hindi ka manalo sa loto, dapat meron ka ng Bible.
Baka mahal yung bibili niyang Bible.
Ginto ito.
Brilyante. Malay natin. Hindi natin alam. Pero thank you very much for that answer.
Very interesting answer. Thank you, Lovie. And good luck to our 3 Super Serenas. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations sa inyong tatlo.
Sa mga Dabber Gods natin sa bahay, may chance kayong i-test ang super wit ng ating mga Super Serenas.